Hi, eighth graders. Today has been a very stressful day because I've been having a lot of technology issues. So I'm gonna just give you the directions on this project that's due on Wednesday, and I have everything up on the screen. So I already posted the rubric. So you're gonna do internet safety presentation. So you're gonna have the title page here. And it tells you what you need. Uh, you're going to do benefit, dangers, responsibility, cyberbullying, and I would go even beyond these and just give examples, and I'll show you some examples of ones that have already been done. And of course, put pictures in and be very creative. And you're going to put sources at the end. Now, one that I recommend is Bing.com because Bing.com has free pictures, and they're free because you pick free pictures from it. So I'm going to click Internet Safety, and you're going to click Images, and then over to the right is the word Filter. You're going to click on the word Filter, and you're going to see the word License right here. You're going to hit the down arrow and see where it says free to share and use, free to modify, public domain. You could pick any one of those, and then that they're free. Because when you do Google, you don't know if it's free or not. So that's how you put the pictures in, and you just cut and paste them in with your examples that you use. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples right now. This is slides. If you do slides, you're probably only going to get a 3 because I want you to be more creative than doing slides, and I'll show you a couple of options. By the way, there in Google Classroom, I put tutorials for Adobe Spark, Story Jumper, and Render Forest, so you can do those as well. So this is just an example of one that other students did. They do have a lot of writing though, and you shouldn't have that much writing on it. So they broke it out. I think this person did it by themselves. But if you know someone in the class or any of the other class periods and you want to work on it with them, you can share it and work on it if you like. And this is going to be due Wednesday at the end of the day, but it shouldn't take you too long, and you can work on it at any pace you want. You can do it in one day, or you can do it today and tomorrow, whatever you like. So now there's another example here, and this one is called Story Jumper, and all it is a book. You don't have to sign up for anything, so please don't. But I have one that I did before, so this technology today, ladies and gentlemen, has been really, really a frustrating day on that. So I'm going to look up this one because this one I was able to open earlier today. So I'm going to open this one. This one is actually Render Forest. So I'm only going to show a little bit of it just so you can get an idea of what it is. You may not hear the music, but it does have music in it too. So I just showed you a little bit of it, but it's really fun and the students really enjoy that. And so you have plenty of options here. So another one that I have to find is Story Jumper. And that one, I know, I gotta find one because I already had it opened earlier today, and it's really fun, and you can work on it with other people as well. So just give me 1 second to go down and see if I can open up one of these books. If not, you can look at the tutorial and it'll show you that. So that's what I think I'm going to do, is just have you watch the tutorial on it. So if you have any questions, let me know, but this video should work. And if it doesn't, please let me know. And I will talk to you soon.